Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove someone from FordPass application in 2026. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to open your FordPass application on your phone. Make sure that you are logged into the primary owner account. Only the main accounts can manage the user access. After doing so, you just have to simply look for the option of vehicle, and then you need to simply go to the vehicle settings. Over here, you just have to look for the option of manage users or connected drivers. Select the person that you want to remove over here. Tap on the option of remove access or delete the user, and you need to simply confirm it. This will instantly revoke their ability to control the vehicle remotely. After doing so, simply refresh the application and make sure that the user no longer appear in the list. You can also restart the application if needed. So that's how you can remove someone from the FordPass application very easily. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.